Hi, folks. Marty here. Happy Monday to you. Hey, we're going to be doing a different type of discussion this week. Instead of Flipgrid, we're still going to be doing a video discussion, but we're going to be doing it right here in D2L. So I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on VideoNote. If you've used VideoNote before, old hat for you. If not, let me give you a quick few tips on how it works. You can find our discussion up here at the Course Tools Discussions tab. Our D3 over Chapter 3, Discussion 3 is right here at the top. You'll click that. Scroll down after you've thoroughly read the prompt. Hit Start a New Thread. You always want to make sure that you include your name. So we'll put D3 and then my name, Marty Prince. Then I'll put my little cursor right here and hit this funky little button called Insert Stuff. Then we'll select Add Video Note. And there I am, right? Two of me. You can hit New Recording. And you can actually record and re-record as many times as you like. So stop recording. There we go. You want to hit Next. Title D3, right? Discussion. That'll probably work. We're going to pick English for our language and automatically generate captions just because you never know when somebody's just watching this on their phone and they don't want to put the audio on. So we'll hit that. Then do Next. So here's the deal. The preview never comes up. There's just a little lag here. And even if you hit refresh preview, I doubt it'll show up. But we kind of just have to trust that it's there. Hit Insert. And here you can see that the little black box shows up right here inside the content box. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Then hit Post. So that is how to do the video note in D2L. Don't forget to comment with a few more videos on each of your classmates